Hello everyone, welcome back to Growing with the Gold, where we show you how to get the gold standard in gardening. Today, we're going to be harvesting some onions. We're moving into that late season, summer's ending, fall is moving its way in. We still got some hot days. We want to get these onions out while we got some good sunshine so we can give them a little bit of a cure. So we're just going to pull all these onions, lay them down to cure in the sun for a day or two before we take them into a drier, cooler place outside of the sun to dry and cure before we give them to the staff to make all sorts of delicious meals. Come along, check it out. We'll get these things harvested. So that was quick and easy. We've got our onions pulled. We'll get them spread out to dry a bit in the sun before we take them inside to cure in that cool, dry spot. But this was a super easy project and one we'll definitely be repeating. Just a couple bags of Royal Gold potting mix, 2 or 3 applications of the Crown Jewels, and we've got enough onions to carry us all the way through the winter. Thanks for joining us on another Growing with the Gold to see how we get the gold standard in gardening, onions, and beyond.